A few months ago, I decided to do a head-to-head comparison on the ceramic coating products you see here. On the passenger side, we have the Turtle Wax product, and then on the driver's side, we have the Hydrosilex product. And here is the TL after a few months of winter. And now that it's spring, I decided to take a look at what the protection is like over the last few months. So on the driver's side, starting with the Hydrosilex side, it looks pretty good. I mean, definitely not clean. Again, I went through a few car washes. This was the brushless type, so I didn't have any scrubbing or any sort of thing like that happen to the car. And then on the right over here, we have a bunch of watermarks. And I guess this is from the last time it rained, but it seems like this is clinging on more to the car, as you can see with the pollen or whatever this is on the exterior compared to the Hydrosilex side. Which is interesting. So moving over to the side of the car, definitely not clean, it needs some detailing, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. And then coming around the back, I think we see something similar. There's a little bit more dirt on the right side, on the passenger side, compared to the left side. So I think in this case, even though in my last test, I think the Hydrosilex wasn't as hydrophobic compared to the Turtle Wax product, I think at the end there's a little bit better results here on the Hydrosilex side. And then moving over to the right side of the car, you can see I think I did a pretty terrible job applying the product because it's not really even. You can see all kinds of marks over here, and that's kind of remained consistent throughout the winter. I washed the car and it still stayed, so I think I maybe applied too much of the product and it wasn't even or something like that. But I'm going to try to do this side again, and then maybe with another test see if this thing comes up. I didn't see this happen on the trunk, so if I go back here, it looks pretty good compared to the side, so I think I just messed up the right side.
So what do you guys think? If I have some more time, I might experiment a little bit more and even make a part 3. Since it's spring, it'll be interesting to see if the coating will help keep the pollen off the car. With all the pollen piling up, I can literally be allergic to my car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.